Hello to all of you who are watching this video. This is the second lesson on learning the sketch environment. In this lesson, you will learn how to draw a point. Okay, let's go on the screen and start the lesson.
I got this magic in my fingertips, designing dreams with every click. Shapes and wonders coming to life. With Katia, I cut through strife. In my mind, the future's clear. No more doubts, no more fear. Crafting visions in 3D. Katia's the key, don't you see? I can reach the sky so high. Build my dreams, no need to try. With every tool I sculpt my fate. Katia helps me innovate. Every line precise and true. Colors bright and brand new. Transforming steel into art. Katia plays the perfect part. Imagination runs so wild, like a free-spirited child. From sketch to screen reality. With Katia, I can be me. I can reach.
Right-click on the Katia icon. From the menu, choose Open. Close the product environment. From the Start menu, open the part environment. Change the part 1 to My Part. Select the XY plane. Click the Sketch tool to enter the Sketcher environment. Expand the part body tree. Change a Sketch 1 name to My Sketch. Bring the Profile toolbar onto the screen. Move the mouse on the small black triangle under the Point tool. The mouse pointer will turn into a two-headed black arrow. Click the left mouse button. Click and hold the bold line at the top of the Point toolbar. Drag it out to separate the Point toolbar onto the screen. To make this toolbar horizontal, hold the Shift key. Click and drag the bold line slightly. The toolbar will change direction. First release the mouse button, then release Shift. Now, let's learn 6 ways to draw a point. 1. Point by clicking. Click on the first tool with the name of Point by clicking. It turns orange. Click anywhere on the screen. A point is drawn and shows in orange color. It means it is active. Click another place. The first point turns white. 2. Point by using coordinates. Click the tool. The point definition window opens. By default, it uses Cartesian coordinates. H and V axes are equal to horizontal and vertical. Since we selected the XY plane, it uses that plane. If no point is selected, the coordinates are measured from the center 0 and 0. Enter 50 and 50 for H and V. Click on OK. A point is drawn 50 mm from the origin. Now let's draw a second point relative to the first point. Select the first point. Activate the tool again. Click on the tool. Enter 50 and 50 again and click OK. A point is drawn 50 mm away from the first point. 3 point bipolar coordinates. Select a point as the base point. Open the tool and click the Polar tab. Enter 50 for radius. Keep angle at 45 degrees. Click OK. The point is drawn on a circle 15 mm radius at a 45 angle counterclockwise from the H-axis. 4. Equidistant points on a line. Suppose we have a line. Click the Equidistance Point tool. Click on the line. The equidistant point definition window opens. In the window, you can define number of points in New Points box. If you click on an endpoint of the line, more options appear. Click the V symbol to see 3 modes. One, number of points and distance between them, points and spacing. Number of points and total length, points and length. Three, distance between points and total length. In this case, software calculates number of points itself. You can also click reverse direction to change point direction. If using spacing or length, points can go behind the line, in the line's extension. You can use this tool on closed curves too. It divides the curve into equal parts. 5. Intersection point. This tool makes a point where two shapes cross. The shapes can be lines or curves, open or closed. Suppose we have a circle and a line crossing it. Click the tool, then click the two shapes. Points are created at all intersection spots. Even if the shapes intersect only in extension, not direct touch, it still works. Suppose we have two lines that don't touch directly. Use the tool on both. A point appears at their intersection extension. 6. Projection point. First, we explain a Sketch Tools toolbar. Some tools show extra options here. After selecting a tool, extra settings appear in Sketch Tools. It also contains other tools we will learn later. 4. Projection point. You need two shapes. Suppose we have a circle and a point outside of it. Click the Projection Point tool. Two modes shown in a Sketch Tools toolbar. 1. Normal projection, a straight line from point to curve. 2. Projection in a chosen direction. Steps. Click the point, then the circle. A new point is created on the circle, projected straight. If you choose Mode 2, you must define a direction. Click a direction or enter an angle. Finally, click on the circle. The point on selected direction have drawn. 7. Align points, not really drawing a point. This tool aligns many points in one straight line. Suppose we have a few random points. Click the Line Point tool. Select all points. CATIA will suggest a line. Move your mouse to change its direction. Hold Ctrl to select points one by one. The first point becomes the starting point. For many points, first select the main point and then hold Ctrl and select the rest. When you click the point tool and draw a point, the tool turns off automatically. To keep it active, double-click the tool. When down, click it again to turn it off. Finally, click the plus sign beside My Sketch and then Geometry. You can see all points and elements you draw. Click one. It turns orange and highlights the matching shape on the screen. This helps when working with complex designs with many elements. That's enough for today. Your exercises for this lesson: 1. Open the Sketcher environment. 2. Move the profile toolbar onto the screen. 3. Separate the point toolbar and make it horizontal. 4. Draw a point by clicking and by entering coordinates. 5. Open the design tree and geometry branch. Click on the drawn elements. 6. Find the sketches that match the elements you selected in the design tree. Good luck. See you the next lesson. Goodbye.